Start music.
चिकपेट भाई, love you यार.
ये सब क्या हो रहा है? This is too much.
But why? The coefficient of linear expansion is the position of the hemoglobin in the atmosphere.
Wrong.
But why?
Why not?
Hey guys, my freshly brushed hair welcomes you to my YouTube channel. I thought today it's time to do some cooking. Oh, sorry. The first step while making chicken, after you have done the dishes, is to take it out of the freezer. Like that. We'll leave it here, let it defreeze. Strange who I used to be.
The reason is not over you, and the reason is you.
And the reason is you. Next step is we chop some onions. Oh man, not again.
The next day.
Boom.
Jump cut, and I'm eating leftovers today. Not everything is a tutorial video. Deal with it.
Thank you for watching this video. It's all.
That is one big pile of shit.
ये सब क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? मैंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है? ये सब क्या हो रहा है? This is too much.
पहले वीडियो लाइक करें, फिर सब्सक्राइब करें, टिंग टिंग टिंग.